All right, folks. So how you doing today? Today we're going to take a look at a way to make some extra money when you're doing search online. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to this channel and hit the notification bell as well. And if you want to see my #1 recommendation for making money online, you get a free membership. You don't even need a credit card to sign up. Free training, free websites. You'll be learning the top strategies to get tons of organic free traffic to your websites. You can network with top affiliate marketers there. It's really cool. Check that out in the link below, and let's get into this. All right, so this is called Presearch, and they are going to pay you crypto coins, pre-coins, and you can get up to 8 a day at the moment. And basically, I'll just do a quick search here. So this is basically searching. It's going to be searching Google, but it's using this interface. When you search, you'll be rewarded with pre-crypto tokens. You can see how many tokens you have in the top right corner. You will earn 0.25 pre-tokens per search, up to 32 searches per day. That's 8 tokens. By default, your search will be Google, and you can change it here as well. DuckDuckGo, if you want to change, whatever, change it if you wish. And then you have search options as well there. You can customize it as well. There's a Chrome extension as well, but for right now, let's just do this here real quick. We'll do a search for, let's type in whatever, YouTube. And see, it's just Google. And that's all it is. So when we go back, 0.25, I started with 25, but now I have 0.25. And you get referral bonus tokens. All right, so obviously you're not gonna make a ton of money doing this, but if you do 30 searches a day, 32 searches a day, that's 8 tokens, or 8, which at the time is not a lot of money. You might make $7 a month, but they could pay for your Netflix account or whatever, $7, something like that. I know Netflix costs more than $7, but the point is that in the cryptocurrencies, they fluctuate. So it could go up to, it could be a lot more. And by the time you're watching this video, so obviously you're not gonna make a ton of money. You're not gonna get rich, but you're searching anyway. So it's something to definitely check out if you want to make some extra money, especially if you, do a lot of searches a day, or, do what I do, work at home and work from wherever. So really cool. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the video description below to get my #1 recommendation. Like again, you get a free membership. You don't even need a credit card to sign up or anything like that. Free training, free websites, learn the top strategies and stuff like that for affiliate marketing. You need to start making some real money. All right, so cool, folks. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon. Goodbye.